Hi everybody, my name is Greg Snyder. I'm going to be your instructor for Health 140. Um, just wanted to introduce myself. I graduated from UC Santa Barbara and got my master's at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo. Very excited to teach this course. I've been teaching this for almost 10 years now. I know I'm a little biased, but I think this will be the most important class that you take in college. Unlike some of the other ones like math or some of the boring ones that you kind of forget about once you leave, you'll be using these things that you learn and hear the rest of your life. Tips on not just how to be healthier, but how to be happier, have less stress, just how to enjoy life a little bit more. So, yeah, I look forward to our journey together. The course will start on Monday. And you will want to go click on Module 1 and take a look around. It's really just an introduction to the course, setting things up. If you need to get a hold of me, you can use my email on the syllabus, or you can go ahead and use the discussion tools through Canvas. That little voice you hear on the side there is my daughter, Zoe. Yeah, I'm really excited to have you guys. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me if you need anything, not just this first week, but throughout the semester. If we need to set up a one-on-one office hours, we can do that through Zoom. So please go ahead and get a hold of me if you need to. Yeah, outside of that, I look forward to having you guys, and let's have a good semester. See you soon.